Hello, fifth graders. Welcome back to another day of inferencing. We're going to start with Kermit the Frog, and he says, attitude is everything. New day, new strength, new thoughts. And I know that during this time, we have good days, we have bad days, and so today is a new day. So I hope that you are ready to learn and just feel good today. All right, so let's just recall, what is an inference? It is taking what the author shows you with a picture or writes in words, then adding it to what you already know, called schema or background knowledge. You put those together and make an inference as to what the author is telling you in the story. So what does the author want me to know without directly telling me? We've been looking at pictures, but today I'm going to show you some words and then pictures. Here are some words. Let's see if we can figure out where they are. 14 children were sitting on the colorful mats on the floor. They are smiling at the camera. Books and cubbies fill the background. Where are the children? We can't see anything, but we know some things here. So when I see there's children, they're sitting on colorful mats, smiling at the camera, probably pretty happy. Books and cubbies fill the background. Where do you think they are? Were you thinking school like me? So was I. So here are the kids, and they are at school. So instead of the author saying the 14 children are at school, they wrote information in that would imply or give us the idea that they are in school. Here are this is the sentence frame to use. I see and I know so I can infer Okay, in our last video, we had a telescope. So now we're going to make an inference and see if you can figure out what this is. We look at the picture. What do you see? I see some wheels. I see some smoke or something coming out. And then we're going to go to the clue. This is an early form of transportation. It ran on tracks. Do you have an idea? I know I do. Using the picture and the clues, what do you think it is? Did you guess the train also? So this is the old train. Here is a new train, and it's running on tracks. So what do you infer it is? It's a train. All right, let's look at some pictures. Look at these cute little kids. So we're going to look at, what do I see, what do I already know, and what can I infer? So is this a professional game? Does it look like a professional game? No, it's not. I know that in a professional game, there would not be a little toddler in the goal, for sure. Is it more likely to be a rainy day or a sunny day? Now, I cannot see the clouds, but I also do not see that their hair is wet. I do not see rain coming down or puddles. So I know that if I don't see those things, that there's no rain. And so this would mean that I infer it is a sunny day. Do you think the kids are listening or distracted? Now, I don't think this kid is listening because I can see he's not even part of the group. But these kids, they show me with their hands in the air, they're facing the speaker, the coach. I know that when you are looking at the speaker, most of the time you are listening. No one is looking away, so I know that these kids are listening. Okay, look at these kids. Are they on a frozen pond or at an ice skating rink? What do you see? I see people. Oh, look back here. I see a wall. I've never skated on a pond, but I've seen pictures of it. So my background knowledge, I haven't actually done it, but I've seen pictures before. And in the pictures, they don't ever have a wall. So I know that this is not a frozen pond, that I can infer they're at an ice skating rink. I've been to one of those, and they do have a wall. Are they having fun or are they bored? Well, looking at their faces, that's what I see. I see they have smiling faces. And I know that when kids have smiling faces, that they are not bored usually, they're having fun. So I can infer that they are having fun. Is it cold there? Well, what do you see? I see they are wearing gloves and jackets, and I know that when you wear gloves and heavier jackets, it's going to be cold. So my inference is that it is cold there. All right, short and sweet. Don't give up. I believe in you all. That was from Dr. Seuss, but your teachers and I also agree with that. We are getting so close to the end, but we need you to still be here and stay connected with us. We need you just as much as we think you need us. And so don't give up. Keep coming to your meetings and giving all of your best. It's going to help you in your future. And you want to feel good about things that you're doing. So go do your exit ticket.